welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello, my name is Tanitra's Latrice, and you already seen that thumbnails, you already know what's about to come at you. This video is brought to you by the lovely Luv Me Hair. They sent your girl over this stunning, gorgeous, fabulous, drop dead, gorgeous honey, baby, yes, 10 out of 10 wig, honey, okay? She is a keeper. All right, I'm saying too much as it is, honey, because y'all look at her. Just look at her. Look at her. She is amazing. I am so happy to put this on. This wig gave me nothing but life. So if you're interested in seeing just how she came out of the box, how easy she was to put on and get her looking absolutely fabulous, stay tuned and I'll be back with my final thoughts, details, and a huge discount code. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the video. So we are about to get into this gorgeousness right here. Y'all see that gorgeousness? Okay, all right, we about to get into it. I am super duper excited for this unit. This unit is going to be like the sister of the Yaki Straight because it has everything underneath. Everything is exactly the same as the Yaki Straight unit. If you have not seen it, I'm going to link it up above so you can check that out. But we're going to get into this curly goodness right here. So let's do it.
You put me first all the time.
Oh my God, I'm loving it already. It's so pretty. Okay, let's get this together. All right, this is so pretty. Okay, we gotta make sure she on right. So this unit does fit ear to ear. I love it. I love this. This is so pretty. Absolutely gorgeous. I am really liking this. Like, look, doesn't that look amazing? Look at that. Just look at that, honey. Don't that look amazing? That looks absolutely gorgeous. Okay, I'm here for this. I'm here for this. I'm here for this. Okay, y'all know I like my curly units. I absolutely love the loose body waves. Okay, what are we going to do now is I'm going to put this hair back off my head. We're going to first tame these flyaways because it's a little bit, you see, it's a little bit going on. So of course we're going to use my wax stick that I got from Amazon, and we're just going to wax stick all the flyaways. Alright, flyaways are tame. So now let's get into this lace. Now this unit does fit ear to ear like the title says. It fits very comfortable around my ear. Don't have a problem with that. It's just one side can fit like perfect and the other side don't. I don't know why that is. Maybe one ear is higher than the other, but I always have that issue. So I always have to finesse one side or cut one side to make it look right. So yeah, and then my sideburns are longer. So that's another reason as well. Clip this hair back. But y'all see, do y'all see? Do y'all see? Y'all see this hairline? Okay, this hairline is absolutely gorgeous. I just wanted to show y'all that one more time, and y'all look at this. Oh my God, this is so pretty. Okay, so let's clip this back. I love this hairstyle. Oh my God, I love this hairstyle, and this fit on my head. It's comfortable. I feel it very snug on my head, but it's not too tight. It fits really good. It's not too tight and it's not too loose, so I'm liking that part as well. What we're going to do is we're going to first put some setting lotion on, and I use Nairobi setting lotion. We're just going to put it around the hairline to help melt the lace, and once we melt the lace down, then I see if I want to go in and spray some glue down on the sides to help keep that down, but let's melt it down with the setting lotion first.
Me for crying when I'm without you, yeah. Know you got dreams of your own, sure you got places to go, but I just want you alone. Oh yeah, I know it's hard.
Now that we have our wrap on, we're going to get into this hair and we're going to see how we need to work her. So right now I'm just going to figure comb it. So what we're going to do is, while the lace is melting, we are going to go in and curl it up. We're just going to do a couple of curls here and there, nothing too major, because this already comes pre-curled, so you don't need to do a lot to this unit. So but because it's been traveling in a box, we're going to help it out a little bit and curl it up here and there to get it back to looking its very best. So let's go ahead and do so.
You ain't never lied. Fact is, you're one of one yourself. Cause you can love me like no one else. Don't get up and leave me hanging. Let's just sleep today. Stay right here close to my heart and take my breath away. Let's make the most of our time. Cause I can love you like no one else. Mayday, mayday, is there anybody who can help me? I don't think my heart is working.
So I have did a little curl here and there, and let me do this with her.
Mayday, mayday, tell me you'll come home and be my baby. I've been losing sleep.
I did a little curl here and there, and this is how she looks. She looks cute. So right now we're going to take this band off and see how this lace melted down. So it's just so. I don't have anything to say. Wow. Love me no baby showing all the way out. This is amazing. Okay, so let's get into these curls. Okay, look at that. Look at that, y'all. This is amazing. 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 This is so, look at this.
Put me first all the time. No wonder I'm on a.
Okay, so let's finger comb these curls.
Oh yeah, you like.
This is gorgeous. Yeah, this is just I don't have any words to say, y'all. The hair feels amazing. It feels so good. Like, honey. Okay, honey. What? Look at it. Look at this. That parting space all the way to the bag. What else you need to? What else you need? What else you need? Really? Really? Wow. Okay, I'm done. This is it. This is it for this unit. Go get her. That's all I got to say is go get her. She is gorgeous. Let me show you the back.
Mayday, mayday, tell me you'll come home and be my baby. I've been losing sleep, I'm going crazy, crazy. Only you could save me. Only thing I need is your love.
Y'all see this hairline? And honey, you have the option to part it in so many ways. Look at that. Y'all see that? Number scalp. Go get her. Go get her. She is not coming to play. I am so amazed at how this lace just melted right into my skin, and all I did was use setting lotion. No glue whatsoever. So I'm not getting any tangles. Shedding is very minimum. I'm not getting a whole lot. It's very minimum. So she is a keeper for sure. So before we get into the details of this shooting, you know they sent your girl over some goodies. They sent over a Luv Me Hair baby hair brush comb combo, a Luv Me Hair scarf wrap. They also sent over a Luv Me Hair bonnet, wig caps, and a Luv Me Hair drawstring bag to help store your unit in. So let's get into the details of this unit. This is a 13x5. Yes, I said it right. 13x5, not 4. Ready to go loose body wave frontal wig that is part of Luv Me Hair's natural wig collection. This is ear to ear, it's glueless, and it's HD lace. I am wearing this in the length 24 inches, but you do have the option to get this in 12, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, and 26 inches as well. You also can get this unit pre-cut at an additional cost. This is going to be the easiest and fastest frontal you have ever installed. You do not need to be a professional because this unit has everything all in one, with the pre-plucked hairline, the bleached knots, and the non-lift HD lace. This wig has got you covered. The lace will give you nothing but scalp and it's undetectable, honey, and the laying power is top notch. Save yourself from edge damage, time and effort, and bad lace installation. With the 13x5, you have more parting space than ever to do as many styles as your heart desire. So let me tell you some more about this unit. This unit is 100% human hair. The density on this unit is 150%. I am wearing this in the color natural black. This unit comes in the default left seat part, but you do have the option to part it in the middle, the left, the right, do a deep part, do braids, do an updo with the side part, whatever your heart desire, honey. This wig has got you covered. The hairline is pre-bleach and the lace area is a 13x5. The lace type is HD lace, so it is extremely undetectable. It melts in your skin seamlessly. The cap size is a 22.5 inches, which is like your standard medium cap. This unit comes with a detachable adjustable band, and you get two, not one, but two silicone based bands in the back of this unit as well. This unit also comes with 4 combs, one on each side, one in the middle, and one in the back. This unit can be worn glueless, honey. I did not put no glue at all. 100% glueless. Y'all see that? Glueless, baby. Wow. This unit should last you 1 year or more depending on how you care for it, and you do have the option to dye this unit as well. So if you want to put some highlights up and through here, you have the option to do that. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and switch it up with a Luv Me Hair unit. Honey, when I tell you I love this unit, I can't get enough at how this lace looks so amazing. And I have this on 100% glueless. I have no glue on this, none whatsoever. None whatsoever. No glue. All I did was put setting lotion on this unit and it looks amazing. Like, look at this. Look at it. Wow. I want to make sure y'all can see that lace is amazing. It's like it's invisible. It's so undetectable. It's so full, but it's lightweight at the same time. So it's a lot of hair, but it's so amazing. Just picture yourself wearing this on your vacation or a date night, Mother's Day, any occasion. If you want to wear this to work, you can do that. This is a must-have in your wig rotation. She is absolutely stunning. Okay, stunning. Go ahead and pick up today. It makes me so happy. Like, it's giving me life right now and I love it. Yes, yes, yes. Hands down, yes. And there you have it. I would like to thank Luv Me Hair for sponsoring this video. And if you're interested in this unit, head on over into my description box below. And you know I got you. You know what I do. There's a big discount code in the description box as well. You will save a whopping 32% off on this wig and all of their 13x5 wigs. So make sure you go ahead in my description box below to scoop that coupon code up to save 32%. Okay, not 25, not 30, 32. All right, say those coins, honey. So if you have not already, please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I drop a video. If you're interested in seeing what else Luv Me Hair has to offer, make sure you check out that next video, and I'll see you over there.